We'll guide you through how to change color of any car in Photoroom app. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because changing car colors digitally is useful for design, content creation, and visualization. It helps users experiment with different looks before making real decisions, especially for automotive design or marketing. To begin this tutorial, make sure you have downloaded Photoroom on your device already so you can follow each step without any issues. For example, I downloaded it on my Android phone for this tutorial, but you can also use other supported devices if available. If you have not installed it yet, you can download it from the Play Store, which is safe to use anytime and easy to access. Tap Photoroom to open the application on your device screen, and wait until it fully loads. At the beginning, you will see 4 main menus: Home, AI Tools, Batch, and Content, which provide different features for editing. Open the Content menu, then click Continue with Google so your design will be saved automatically and securely. After signing in, click AI Tools from the available menu options to access advanced editing features. Once it is opened, select the AI Images feature from the list to begin the process. After several options appear, choose the Recolor tool to continue with changing the image color. Make sure you have prepared an image, for example a white car image, before moving forward. Then click the image to select it from your gallery so it can be edited. After that, click the color currently selected by default by the application to open the color settings panel. You can change the color, for example choose light blue, then click Done to apply the new color. Click the Describe Anything field and type Recolor this car so the system understands your request. Then click the upward arrow icon to start the process and wait for the result. After the process is finished, click the result to preview it clearly. Now the process to change the car color in Photoroom is successful and ready to use. If needed, you can edit it again by writing a new prompt to refine the result further. Once you are satisfied, click Save to store the final result on your device.